behind you. I want to be next to you on the hill. On the bridge.
You're doing great. This is a little bitty one.
You just keep it going and that helps you go uphill.
Keep going, sweetie. You're doing great. Just remember we told you if you start to get a little fast, you can brake and stop.
Keep going. Keep going. Doing good. Uphill. Yep,
You're okay.
keep going.
See? That's how you do it. Now keep going.
It's going to be fine. It's not scary at all. It's not scary. It's just hard.
Can I get my bike down?
I'm making a movie. I'm making a movie of you.
What kind of movie?
A movie of you riding your bike. We'll watch it when we get home on the computer. But you have to ride up to the top, okay? You're doing fine. Good job. It's okay. Don't get frustrated. Just keep trying. See?
Push hard.
Going uphill. Got to push hard.
Go fast.
Got to push hard.
Go fast. Go fast. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Big hill.
Push, 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 push.
You're Lance Armstrong. Keep it up. Go. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Move over to the side just a little bit. I want to come up and take a picture of you for the movie.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Come on.
Push, 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 push.
Daddy, let me on the front.
No, you're doing great. He's taking a movie of you. Push, push, push. Daddy, 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 daddy.
Come on, you're doing great.
Almost there.
Backwards. Keep going.
Oh,
It's okay.
brake wheel's making me stop it.
Keep going. Push. Push, push, push. Let me help you. Don't get mad. Hold on, hold on. Don't get mad. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's go forward. Push, pedal.
Good job. Stop up here by mommy. High five. Good job on the hill. Put your brakes on.
Hi there.
Brakes on. Go backwards. There you go.
Wave to the camera. You're doing a great job.
Hard work.
Blow me a kiss.